Chapter 85, Uploading videos to social media may be fun to some but not to others. Have you ever seen a funny video of someone else online? Such videos could either be scripted, or taken without the other person's consent to the matter. The latter of such videos may cause emotional damage and does not bring any sense of joy/fun to the victim. Does your company use social media within its operations? Organizations should have a takedown policy in place for such victims. There should be that option available to such victims to remove a video that they might find too embarrassing or offensive. If your organization has CCTV, there should be sufficient security to prevent insiders from gaining access to such footage. This can count as unauthorized access to personal data. Disclosing such information without consent could result in the perpetrators being taken to task.
For more data protection resources, visit www.dpexnetwork.org, the Data Protection Excellence Network, and sign up for free as a member to have full access to all content. Do also like and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn if you found this useful.